everybody, it's Q from Growing with Hudson, and I'm about to do this potato harvest with you. Let's see what we got. Here go my little harvest basket. Let's see about the potatoes. It seems heavier, but for the most part, they done died off. Oh, I see some worms. Let's just dump it. Let's see what we got. Medium. Medium. Okay. Medium. This is the old potato. I'm gonna put that in the compost. I hope y'all doing all right today. Uh-oh. Check that out. Can y'all say potatoes? Put that greenage in the compost too. You got some little babies. Little babies. They was doing a little something. Let's see. Some little babies. There's still a few hanging in there. I'm already doing better than I did last year. That's little. Got some I can put in with some roast. That's the first one. Ooh, these worms is in here.
Pretty good?
Yeah, it's pretty good. For the first batch, I still got the second batch. That's what I got from the first batch.
I seen one over there close to your left foot. I thought.
Oh, yeah. See, they still coming. I done threw one back in there.
Do what?
I threw one back in the dirt. Y'all, I'm still getting. Look at that. Still getting. That's an old one. Going to compost. some baby ones. Who say you can't grow your food in a small space? I'm gonna just move that to the side. Ooh, I just put them all on my socks. Give me a second, y'all. Y'all still there? I almost got this over. Want to get on with the get on. I don't want to waste none of this soil either. Okay, here go the other. Let's see what this got to bring. Ooh, all them snails at the bottom. Tell you, them snails is a beast. Ooh. Look what I see. That's the biggest one. Oh, ooh. That's a bad one, y'all. That's one of the seed potatoes. Look, I got some red potatoes. Got some little babies. It's the seed potato too. See what they got. A little red baby. Got a lot of worms, a little red baby. Another baby. Look, I'm so happy it got me singing. Red potato. Purple potato. Chocolate potato. Another yellow potato. I think that's all, just about it. Uh-oh, I see something else. Surprise! Yeah, I need to check on this side.